Hi, I'm Myron Genick from LongPoint ETFs, and I'm back with our weekly natural gas update. This week, we're going to look at two things. We'll revisit some technicals discussed in previous weeks, and we'll also check in on some supply-demand issues overseas. Remember, you can trade NGUP and NGDN to take short-term high-conviction positions on the price of natural gas. First, on the technical side, we've spoken previously about the 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving averages for front-month nat gas. Back at the end of April, nat gas traded down and through its 200-day moving average, before bouncing back up to its 50 and 100-day moving averages about a week ago, feeling that resistance and then heading back down to the 200-day moving average, around which nat gas has found some support going all the way back to mid-September here, and here. How much longer can the 200-day moving average provide support for front-month nat gas? And when it finally gives, how far down could nat gas go? Next, moving on to overseas markets, which are becoming an increasingly significant importer of US LNG, there are currently three factors that could ultimately lead to further demand for US LNG in the short term. First, Europe has, for geopolitical security reasons, been steadily increasing its nat gas inventory levels, with Germany leading the way. Because they're getting more and more of their nat gas from US LNG, the European decision to add to storage can be expected to add to demand for US LNG exports. Next, there are some upcoming planned and unplanned outages in Norwegian nat gas production, which could put supply pressure on European balances. Finally, on the opposite side of the Eurasian landmass, the current reprieve in US-Chinese tariffs mean that Chinese demand for US LNG is expected to increase. The increased demand for nat gas from overseas customers, combined with the 200-day moving average acting as a formidable support level, could mean that we could see nat gas prices moving higher in the short term. But then, markets are always surprising even the best analysts, especially over the past few months, where major trade policies can shift on a seemingly daily basis. What do you think nat gas will do over the next few days? Thanks for watching, and we'll return next week with more on natural gas. Please like and subscribe, and visit LongPoint ETFs for more information and to register for updates.